When mixing these two ingredients, look what happens to your skin after several minutes. Amazing! Our natural beauty always needs a little help so that it can show its full potential. If that is what you are looking for, here we will give you the answers to all your prayers. These home remedies are made up of two simple main ingredients. In addition to being very simple to prepare, this remedy is very useful to improve and keep optimum conditions, circulatory and metabolic functions, in addition to maintaining the health of muscles and bones. This is because this remedy is rich in calcium, potassium, selenium and vitamin K. Take note and repotence your beauty in just a few minutes, in addition to improving the health of your skin with each application. Exfoliating mask of yogurt and black pepper. This exfoliating mask is an excellent natural and economical option to cleanse your skin. With it you can eliminate blemishes, scars, besides giving shine to the skin. You need 1. 2 tablespoons of ground black pepper. 2. 3 spoonfuls of white yogurt. Method of preparation and use. 1. The first thing to do is to mix the black pepper and the white yogurt until obtaining a homogeneous paste. Let stand for about 5 minutes. 2. When this time has passed, apply on the skin of your face, clean and scrub with gentle movements and delicate circular movements the entire area of the face. 3. Once you have finished, remove this mask with warm or cold water.